I'm going to scrap a power cord to try to get the most amount of money out of it that I can. I don't want to just throw it in the copper barrel where it's got mixed copper. Well, this is obviously burnt out. So we run across a lot of these, save them up once in a while, take them apart, and I kind of miss doing it my favorite way of smashing it with a hammer, but not everybody's as wild as I am, I guess. Okay. I didn't cut the cord off because I want to get the most I can out of it. So, let's see. You don't always have to unscrew everything. Okay, there's a tiny little bit of copper in there, and I'm not going to not get it. It isn't much, but it's a little tiny. Well, actually, there's nothing in there. Fail. Okay, here we go. Now, that looks like a little brass piece, so now if you don't take this off of here, they won't give you clean brass price, so it's better to get the max out of whatever you're doing. That's off. Same here on the other end. And like I say, if you don't take this off, they won't give you clean copper price for the wire. That's that goes in a separate bin. Let's just keep taking apart here. Oh, like I say, I got to clean it up to get max out of it. Like, you guys keep watching. We're going to start taking apart all kinds of little things to show you where the real money's at sometimes when you're scrapping. Right now, prices are down again. So this is a kind of a good time to get the most out of your products. And sure, a lot of people can say, "Oh, you're wasting your time." You know what? I'm also saving the environment, so we don't get credit enough for preventing things from going in a landfill anyway. Okay, there's a few little pieces of wire in there. I want to get every one off that I can. It may seem like nothing, but when you get a big 5-gallon bucket of copper up, you see, that's where the payoff is. And the last thing I want to do is pop this end off of here so I get the most money. So here, I'm done. Here's what I got. I got to always keep these small electronics together in a bucket. I still am saving these miscellaneous. Now, see, that can go in that bucket. The screws are worth nothing. Here's 3 pieces of brass, and here's my wire and the throwaway. Thanks for watching. Might as well make double your money out of this or 4 times.